Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the FileSynced application to your device as well as the best codes to use there. This way you'll be able to jailbreak your Fire Stick, or in other words, to load thousands of apps to your device which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And there are all kinds of apps, including movie apps, TV shows, live TV, applications, and Fire Stick tools. The whole setup is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to do that on your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, you just go to search on your device, and now here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and there's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet. We'll still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we have to go to Settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And from here, we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, the developer options are hidden by default. So if you cannot find those here, then don't worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. In that case, we go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. And now, as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. Make sure to open them, turn on ADB debugging, then you'll need to go to Install Unknown Apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we'll have to go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it, and there you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say they'll connect to Romania right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it, and there's the Downloader. Start it up, and wait until the app opens for you. Then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home. And now here in that search bar, we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be FileSynced.com. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's FileSynced.com. Oops, made a mistake. Here we go. So once again, FileSynced.com. You can see the link on your screen right now, so make sure to enter it as you see. Then you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the website has opened, they warn us that the only official website of FileSynced is filesynced.com, so that's exactly the website we are using. Let's click OK. Then just scroll down a bit and hit the download button. Let's click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then once again press install, and now FileSynced will be installed to your Fire TV. And after the app is installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. And now finally let's go to the settings once again. So we click on the button with the gear icon, scroll down, go to my Fire TV, to developer options, install known apps, and this time we have to turn that option for FileSynced as well, because we'll be using FileSynced to download other applications from the internet. And now finally we gotta go to the list of apps on your Fire TV, and there's the FileSynced, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. We click on it and then press on move to front. This way FileSynced is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then let's open FileSynced. And from here basically open that menu where it says FileSynced code, and there we'll start entering the codes. So the first code is pretty simple, it's 55555555. So basically number 5 8 times in a row, then just click on next and hit enter code button. And that's our first code of the day. So here you'll find quite a lot of applications, including movie apps, TV shows, live TV applications, alternative app stores, and even some applications for grown-ups only, with spicy content, if you know what I mean. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact apps available in that app store, but of course in your case it's not going to blur it. So once again the first code was 8 times number 5 in a row, and now we go back and I'll show you one more code which is even better than this one. And now the second and the last code of today is going to be 987683363. So once again 987683363. Click on next and hit the enter code button. And what's good about this app store is that applications are separated by categories, so you'll find Fire Stick tools, movies, TV shows, as well as live sports. So let's say we open the movies category, and there you'll find quite a lot of applications which will have decent movies as well as TV shows totally for free, including the newest movies, the ones which you can only get in movie theaters. So those are the 2 best FileSynced codes that you can use in 2024. We got loads of applications which are updated and should work fine on any device. I hope the video was helpful, enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.